Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today's lesson is about organizing your numbers, being able to think through your chances to win. Okay, organizing. Here we go. How many outcomes could there be? Well, let me see here. Depends. If we are tossing a coin, look. You can have heads, you can have tails. 2 outcomes, 2 columns. This is how many times you're going to toss the coin. Hey, just like science. We keep a record. So as you kind of manage your numbers, you need to think about things. So let's take a look at... Really? Well, let's take a look at this. How many columns would you have to have? Well, the question is, how many different things could you get? Well, you get 50. Yeah, you could get 30, you could get 10, or you could get 0. Yep. So lots of different choices. And you know, as you calculate how you would be able, how much, you know, how often you would get these, look at this outer circle. If you were to calculate the area of this is a lot more area. This little itsy bitsy bitsy thing right in the middle there, see? So, as you're thinking about this, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about... Let me get a pen. So, when you have, we talk about... See, look at that. How many choices do you have here? You have 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4 there. 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. And 1 out of 4. You know, by golly, that kind of looks like a 4th to me. And how about to you guys? Yep. But take a look. Now, if I wanted a percentage, I think about 1/4. Think, what percentage would 1/4 be? Bum, 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 bum. Oh, wait a minute. How about that? Yeah, I think I got it. 25%. And we can do some pretty tricky math here. Let's take a look. If I have 1/4 plus 1/4, let's say we tube these two up here, that equals 2/4 or 1/2. Do you guys agree with that? 1/2, yeah, up here, 1/2. And guess what the equivalent for 1/2 is? Yep, 50%. This looks like it could be 50%, don't you think? Okay, you ready for the tricky? What about this? What about these two? If these two, I got these two, it's 50%. Ah, what about if I had this one and this one? Yes, 50%. What happens if I had 3 of them? I would have 1/2 plus 1/4, which is, well, let's just do 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4, which equals, yes, it can be 75%. So as you go through, think about the relationship fractions and percentages have. As you think about how to calculate your chances to win. See you later.